Hello guys, welcome once again. This is Tech PB. Thanks for joining me. So in this video, I'm going to take you through how to resolve an issue with a color printer only printing in black and white. So the printer just decides to print in black and white due to no fault of yours. So we're going to look at how you can resolve this. So first off, click on Start, click the Settings app, select Bluetooth and devices. And then from there you want to select the printers and scanners. So I have this color printer right here which is printing currently in black and white even though it's a color printer. So I'll click on it to open it and then select printing preferences. So you can see that the image preview there shows that it's in grayscale, which is black and white. So all you need to do to change that for your printer to start printing color is to select the general everyday printing, select OK to change that or to make your printer begin to print color again. You can select the factory defaults if it's showing black and white, and then under printing grayscale click on the arrow down and select the off option. Again, click OK to save your settings, and then your printer would begin to print in color. I'll select print test page, and then I will show you the results of the test page after we made the change at the end of the video. But sometimes even after changing the settings on the printer itself, when you want to print your documents, it would still print in grayscale or it will still print in black and white. So I have this document here which is a colored document. I'll select the print icon to bring up the print preview, so you can see that even the preview shows that the document is in color, but when you click the print it would print black and white. So what you need to do is to select properties at the top beside the printer name, click properties to open the print preferences again, and then you can go through what we went through earlier by either changing the option under print in grayscale to off or selecting the general everyday printing. Click OK when you're done, and then from now onwards your printer should resume printing in color once again. So like I said before, I will show you the results of the printouts before and after I made the changes on this particular PC, on this particular printer. So you can see the results. This is the before I made the changes. You can see the test page and the documents are both in black and white, and then after making the changes, the test page and the documents came out in color as they should. So yes guys, kindly subscribe, like and share to support us to bring you more of such videos and to grow this community together. Thank you, and then I'll see you guys in another video. Bye for now.